Welcome to Takeaways, quick, focused episodes from Take a Cue, where we share concise insights, tips, and ideas to help you on your musical journey.
In the next few minutes, you'll get practical advice and inspiration you can carry with you. Let's dive in. A few years back, I made a New Year's resolution for myself. I usually make one personal and one professional New Year's resolution each year. My professional New Year's resolution was to send 10 positive parent communications per week. It seems like a daunting task, but after a while I had a really good template and I figured out the best timing to send notes of encouragement to maximize my desired effect. I started to see an increase in parent engagement and after a while, a really big shift in morale in my group. Attaboy or encouraging emails are a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly impact your program. Let's explore why these notes of encouragement are essential and how they can transform your students' self-esteem and reinforce positive behaviors. A well-timed Attaboy email can have a profound impact on a student's musical contribution and attitude when they walk into band class. Here are a few reasons why you should consider sending them. It boosts confidence. Positive feedback can help students believe in their own abilities. It encourages practicing. When students feel seen and valued, they are more likely to practice regularly. It fosters a positive band culture. A culture of positivity and encouragement could create a more enjoyable and productive learning environment. And it strengthens your parent-teacher relationships. Sharing positive feedback with parents can build trust and foster strong partnerships. Here are a few tips to help you write effective Attaboy emails. Be specific. Highlight a particular achievement that happened in class. Be sincere. Let your genuine enthusiasm for their child shine through. Keep it brief and to the point. A concise email will have a better impact. Use a template. Create a template for your Attaboy emails and save it. I have a folder in my inbox so that when I send one of these, I flag it so I can easily find it later. Also, make sure you don't send the same email twice. That's why I keep it in a folder. Keep track of what you send. Erik probably has an Airtable for this already. Set a schedule. Decide how often you're going to send this, whether it's weekly or monthly or as needed. I'll tell you what, my flutes all get one in the first weeks of October because some of them are not getting a sound after 3 or 4 lessons. My trombones get one around late November, early December because they've stopped sounding like a lawnmower. Personalize your message. Tailor your message to each student's individual strengths and challenges. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to sending Attaboy emails. By sending regular notes of encouragement, you can create a culture of positivity and excellence in your band program. And remember, every student deserves to feel valued and appreciated. You don't quite have the words yet? Steal mine. Here are some quick notes I have sent home in the last few weeks. Here's one to a flute player in October. Good afternoon, Team Chloe. I'm reaching out to say what a great lesson Chloe had on flute today. We worked through all 5 notes we've been talking about in class, and even though she did not get a sound every time, I really appreciate how hard she's been trying. She made some great improvements in the last few weeks. Please help me encourage her to practice slowly at home to avoid frustration. Way to go, Chloe. Have a great day, Mrs. Wise. This one's to a trombone player that still thinks his instrument sounds like a fart, even though we're in November. We want to retain this kid. We want him to love his instrument. Here comes his Attaboy email. Good afternoon, Team Jonathan. I'm just reaching out to say what a fantastic job Jonathan has been doing in his trombone lesson each week. I'm hearing some great improvements. He's really starting to refine his sound. This week, he was able to identify where all 5 notes we've been working on go on the music staff. Please help me encourage him to keep up the good work. Have a great afternoon, Mrs. Wise. I hope you find this quick conversation about Attaboy emails helpful to your program.
3, 2, 1, yeah!
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Takeaways.
For more in-depth discussions and insights, be sure to check out our full-length episodes of Take a Cue.
If you found this helpful, please rate and review the podcast. It really helps us reach more music educators just like you.
Subscribe on your favorite podcast app so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more content and updates.
Finally, share this podcast with your friends and colleagues who are passionate about music education. Until next time, let's get out there and make great music.